Welcome to my channel. What we are going to cut today is fila, Yoruba cap. So this is the sample. I cut it. So this is what we are going to cut out. So when you measure this place from here, you see that it is 12 inches. 12 inches. It is also 12 inches down here too. So how we get this thing, I'm going to show it to you. Let's say this. If this has not been cut out, let me use the other side so that you can be able to understand it very well. Okay, let's use this. You place your cap like this. So I want to print out how we get this thing. On a plain material like this, if you measure 12, after you measure 12 here, from the edge, you place your tape rule, you measure 6. You knot it here. Once you measure 6 and you use chalk to knot it here, then again you will start from here and measure 12. If you measure 12, you see that it is the same thing. Okay, let me cut this out so you can understand what I'm saying. It is the same thing now. So this is 8.5. We are going to cut the same way again. Can you see now? See that it look like a hole like this, 8.5, and this is 26. This is 26. From here is 26. I'm going to join it together. Watch out for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe on how I'm going to join it together, and how I'm going to swing it. Thank you for watching.